April 13th, 2:22 in the afternoon. We're going to take the bait caster down, throw a couple of those little cranks around, see if we can catch some trout. I mean, why not? What do we have to lose? It's a beautiful day, like 55 to 60. Looked like the creek was starting to green up a little bit, so we might have some luck. It's not been a great year so far with the rain. It's been muddy. If you see the last week whenever I was down, yeah, it was real muddy. Anyway, I'm back, and we're gonna do some fishing today down here at Kish Creek. So let's see what we catch. Caught somebody else's line. Nothing. Nothing at the end of the line, just a ball of line. But I did catch one. Nice little rainbow. Not bad. But we're going to go drop the BFS caster. We're going to take this guy, put her in the car, and we're going to grab the float rod. And we're going to get back down here and see if we can catch something on the float. Now we busted out the float rod. Penn Pursuit with the X11 Lamiglas 11.6, I believe. We're going to take this down here and see what we can catch. First cast, there she is. Can you get a look at them? There you see him. Just turn the GoPro on and leave it on at this point. There he is. Oh, that's a better one. That's number 4 or 5. I can't remember. Oh, there he goes. Instant release. I felt that one. We're about to go to a bigger hook. I thought about putting a bead on, but I don't think we're going to be doing that due to the fact that I'm pretty sure I left my pegs at home, which kind of sucks. But we're going to move up to a bigger hook. So we moved up to a bigger hook. There's an 8 right there. And what we're going to do, I'm going to show you how to put a an egg or any kind of bait like that, like salmon egg for instance, or in my case we're using the garlic power eggs, and how you can put one of those on with a bigger hook even though smaller. So what we want to do here is hook it closer to the edge. Okay, so you're going to go closer to the side. See how that is? And then you can turn it around and just go right under the side, and for the most part it's hidden. See that? Neat little trick. I prefer to like kind of lay it on the side because you can squish it down. So that that hook is still exposed a bit. See that? Perfect. Let's get at it. There he is. See him? Nice. Oh, we're up to like 6 or 7 so far. Not doing too bad. Nice day. They feel bigger than they are. Yeah, that's true. Apparently coming over here is what we're doing now. Yeah, he's nice. Nice little rainbow trout. Alright, let's see what the temperature is. 50.9. See that? He doesn't want to come up. It could be a little bigger. Yep, he is a little bigger. I did see him anyway. Yeah, he ain't bad. That's a nice little slab. There's a chunk. Oh, That's a big one. I don't know if that's the same one or not, but he was yep, there's another one. Yeah, not bad at all. Oh, barely had you, buddy. There you go. Perfect release.